Kilomita 17 kuma tauni ya Nyeri ni uhoreru riri na uthaka wa mutito wa irima cia Aberdare iria Mugikuyu etaga mitamburuko ya Nyandarua. Ni mutito uria ni kihumo kia njui nyingi ta Tana na Ewasonyiro iria cihonagia kaunti ya Nyeri na Nyandarua gatagati ga kaunti ingi na mai ma kunywa na ma kurima. Mutito uria wahithagia ngurungo cia Mau hindi ya bara ya wiyathi. Ukirini wa mutito uyu no miruri ya nyoni na hurutano cia umbi. Waikia ritho ni nyamu cia githaka nini na nene.
Pakino ni wikaine na especially na maundu ta ma hiking, ni kuri nyamu, kuri nginya nyamu ingi itonekaga kundu kuingi ta ici cietagwo ndongoro, ni kuri njogu, ni kuri mbogo, na ni kuri cui, ni cionekaga guku, na nyamu ingi nyingi ungihota kuona, na ni one of the parks you can even come uhuruke wionere uthaka wa bururi uyu.
More than 3,000 elephants in the Aberdare. So it's really one of our strongest holds for the elephants. And indeed, some other very unique species like the giant forest hog, which I'm sure may also show up at the waterhole one of these fine days.
Ngurunga-ini cia Mau ndurumo-ini cia Rũĩ rwa Magura nikuo Mau mehithaga na gũbanga bara ya kũhũrana na nyakeru.
Haha ũguo nĩ kĩrurumo-inĩ kĩa Magura na haha niho Queen Elizabeth acerete na kĩrĩa Ranji arorete mũkawa-inĩ wa Treetops kũrĩa atuĩkire Queen thutha wa kũmenyithio baba wao King George nĩ ahurũkĩte.
Mutito uyu ni muthingi murumu hari ugendi guku bururi-ini undu uria ubatie gukorwo ukiandandura gikabu kia umatho wa bururi.
The Aberdare ecosystem is very important for our tourism and more so for this region and us as people from this county. So we are very happy, KWS, with what you are doing, and please continue. And I want to assure you that the local people here are very good in protecting this ecosystem. They know its importance. I take daily walks in the Mount Kenya forest when I'm around, just to appreciate the ecosystem, the fauna and the flora. When times allow, I'll also come here and spend time here at Aberdare, walk around, see the caves, appreciate the waterfalls. Let us also sample our best as we ask the whole world to come. But above all, we are very proud that this facility now is open to allow the world to come and sample Kenya's best, the Aberdares, where we have abundance of exotic wildlife species.
Edemaya ni mathabu matari makinyanira ni undu wa itumi mwanya mwanya.
Visitation, especially mwena wa Thungu akumaja, it's very promising. No, the things that we need to do here ni ku encourage, especially andu aguku moke mone githaka giki tondu ni njui ni andu aingi muno matoi uhoro wa githaka giki, and there is so much for you to see. Koguo kira dingiuga ni kumu encourage.
We also have areas that are very scenic, magnificent waterfalls. The Karudu Falls, the longest falls I think in Africa, which is a very big attraction to visitors.
Ici nĩ imwe cia igucĩrĩrio iria mũingĩ kuma gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na nja wa bũrũri marorio moke meyonere gatagatĩ-inĩ ka irĩma cia Nyandarua. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma irĩma-inĩ cia Nyandarua, njĩta Theuri wa Mbogo.